trying to get a small boat.
Yeah, you talk to them. They can speak English.
I want a small boat. I don't want a big boat.
Just small boat.
I don't want to be with 20 people.
Going where?
Yeah.
Hi.
So you got a small boat?
Yeah, we have a small
Her
boat.
and I?
Check if what tour we will avail.
It's hard.
So what tour you want? Check the tour.
D. I think it's very corporate. So you're going to have a hard time not being We'll do and turn up my GoPro there. Lost all the video. It was just her and I in a boat. It was so awesome. We got a 36-inch red snapper. They cooked it. It was, oh man. Anyway, looks like to me Quran is better, less corporate. Very corporate cooked. It's like very much corporate here. So I tried to get my driver. They know everything. They're local. He just took me to a normal booking. Very much. We tried to get a smaller thing like in Quran. Anyway, thank you. 500 pesos. I don't know. It's now 12:30. We've had a heavy day. Okay, we came in here about noon. No air conditioning. Still no air conditioning.
Just wait, check.
That ain't air conditioning.
So,
We want air conditioning. Ha! And we need the Wi-Fi. She can't connect. You can fix the Wi-Fi for her. I'll go get you some food. We still have no air conditioning.
No.
Yeah, he's there. But we have no air conditioning when we moved in at 12. And we still have no air conditioning. No, we came in at 11.
Just wait for a
Okay. Thank you. Please give us air conditioning. Take me somewhere to get some good pork for my girl to go. That doesn't cost a lot of money. And we're off. Again. I've been here 2 years.
2 years.
I live in Cebu. We got lynching. She won lynching. Anyway. So I was ordered to get a big pile of lynching, that awesome pork. But anyway, we're going somewhere. Okay, we don't have lynching, but we got pork and a cute girl. and that one too.
No rice?
Nah. No rice, it's not good for you. I was ordered to come get lynching, and so the driver brings me here to make my girl happy.
Isang torta po ate, and then rice. 180.
How much?
180.
Siyang rice, ma'am.
Sa kalahating kanin na po sa akin.
Ah, give me one more.
180.
Give me one more of these. That'll work. That'll make her happy. Perfect. Ah,
So we go back there?
yeah. Okay, I go run all over. I get this stuff for her. She wants pork. I get 2 different kinds. We run halfway around town. She says she doesn't want rice, but now she wants rice, just like a woman. Okay, we had air conditioner problems. We got on them. They came right out and put new Freon in it. It is awesome cold in here. Good service. Okay, they fix the AC. It's nice and beautiful in here. Our room, look at this view. I'm not talking about her butt, but anyway, look at this view. Okay, if you're gonna come to the Philippines, you have to learn. I don't care how much money you make, you don't have time to deal with it. You are going to wash your clothes in the sink. You can't hang them outside. I think this is kind of wouldn't go over well with the clientele here, but I wore that shirt for 2 hours. It was so wet. It is wet as it is right now. That one I wore here, so okay, that one has a right to be bad, but that one I wore for 2 hours, and the pants I wore for 2 hours, of course with the cotton underwear, because if you don't have cotton it doesn't soak it, but it is really hot. Okay, this doesn't really look good, but 250 peso, 285, that's $5.30. She's already been eating on that one. She says I should have gotten a rice, but it is tender. It is awesome. These are 2 of the same, another different pork. Awesome. Now, it's not a restaurant. It's what they call an eatery. Cool. But it wasn't $30 either, or 1,800 pesos. They're just hanging out there, loading up or whatever. I just don't want to go out with 30 people.
All naman po yan, lalo na yan sex on the beach, tequila sunrise, tequila sunset. You can request it without alcohol. And it's sweet po. Hello!
We're in the tree house with the sunset. Treehouse restaurant does have a nice atmosphere. Oh, I didn't see that up there. That's pretty cool. But we ate right down that road last night. Hamburger. It was huge. 850 pesos. Everybody's down there. Well, they're down here too. They're everywhere. Nice little view.
Which one po? Calamari with fries? Okay. Ano po yung sauce na gusto mo? We have tartar, aioli, and spicy.
Okay. We are going to move out of the tree house. See if I can fall down. And set. Yeah, this is cooler. Really. There it is. And we got the sunset going down. Right there. Okay, guys. I walk, I'm in El Nido, but when I go to these tourist places anywhere in Asia, you gotta be careful. I walk out of half of the places I walk into. I go right next door. Instead of 190 pesos, it's only 150 pesos. I get that with everything. It doesn't matter the product, but they do you on the tourist. Now, when I'm in Cebu, they treat me right. I know that maybe they think, well, now they know, but in the beginning, I still think they treat me right in Cebu. Always, they treat me. They give me the best price. I never felt they were trying to take advantage of me, really. I'm talking about the little sorry store type people on the street, that sort of thing. But whenever Vietnam, Thailand is all about bartering. Actually, Vietnam is too. So they really don't expect you to pay what they're doing. Bali was the same way, but anyway, remember, when you go to a tourist spot, they treat you different.